Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be using a jelly stamper for its actual purpose and creating these cute little designs on these red nails for Christmas. And if you are interested in how I came up with this, then please keep on watching. I'm going to be using full cover tips from Enailcouture. So to add on my tips, I'm first applying some base coat because I'm going to use poly gel to adhere them onto my fingernails. Once you apply the base gel, you're going to cure it in the lamp for a full 60 seconds. This is the first time I'm using poly gel to adhere them onto my fingers. So the first couple of beads that I do are pretty big. You really need only the smallest amount, so it's just enough to cover your fingernail and just a tad over. You don't want it spilling out over your free edge, so try to clean it up as best as possible. Once you have that onto your nail and where you like it, you're going to cure it in the lamp for 60 seconds, or you could just flash cure it on and then do a full cure at the end. After the nails are all cured out, I'm going to take my e-file and just go around the cuticle area so I can make it look a little more flush to the nail and not so press-on like. After that, you're going to take a buffing block and buff up the surface of the nails because we're going to be adding on polish. For my base color, I'm going to be taking this color Rouge, and this is from the Makartt and Baby Girls Your Nail Lab box from November. You can buy these colors, this color separately also if you are interested in the color. But I'm going to be applying this on all of my nails, and then we'll be moving on to our stamping adventure. I got these stamping plates on Amazon. You're going to need some stamping polish. You can't just use any regular nail polish for this. So you're going to apply some onto the plate, and then you get this card that comes with most jelly stampers. You take that card, you just scrape the excess off, take your stamper, and boom, just pick it right up. This is my second time stamping. I swear it did not go this easily the first time. I don't know if it was the plates that I had. They weren't deep enough for me to actually pick up the polish. I don't know. It was a nightmare, so I was not excited to do it this time, but it went much easier this time. But you're just going to need some alcohol to clean up anything that gets on your fingers. and we're just going to continue on with this for all of the nails. The part that I'm using is like the bottom part of a stamper. I ended up getting nail polish down the other part and I can't open it. Totally my fault, so I'm stuck using this part. But I mean, it worked. I did have to do it a couple of times, but I guess it wasn't really that big of a deal.
Ho, ho, ho.
You don't have to cure the sticky polish in the lamp, but I do recommend top coating after each nail just to make sure you don't get any dust particles or hairs, anything like that stuck to the polish. Using some cuticle oil, this is the finished look. Everything went a lot smoother this time, which I was very, very happy with. I think they turned out really cute and just simple, delicate for Christmas. I really love the nail polish color. I think it's the perfect red. And I think my favorite nails are probably the snowflake nails. I think those look really good. And yeah, I really, really appreciate you guys being here. Thank you so much for joining me. And let me know in the comments down below what you guys think of these nails, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.